Okay guys, today we're looking at, does cleaning your fridge make it more efficient? She's been telling me, I need to clean the fridge. And I'm like, the fridge?
I said we.
We. Alright. But yeah, the front is all clean and stuff, but this won't help your efficiency. So you got to get behind there and clean it up. And so in this video, we're going to show you the energy usage of the fridge before we clean it. We're going to go through the steps to clean it and some tips on what to do to increase your airflow. And then our energy usage after it's clean and how much money we're actually saving. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, so I'm using this little smart plug that, see the video below if you want the same smart plug, because it's very easy to see your energy usage. But here it shows me using between 3.75 and 3.85 kilowatts a day. That adds up to about $100 a month. I mean, not $100, 100 kilowatts a month, which is $10 if you're paying 10 cents a kilowatt.
Right.
And so we're going to clean it up, and we'll go over the steps we take to do that. And then at the end of the video, you can see if it really helps. So let me grab my tools to get this all cleaned up. Har, har, har. More power. No?
I'm not. Yeah, you're either going to do this seriously or not.
So after you pull out your fridge, you'll have to unplug it, because to clean this, you're definitely going to have to get in the bottom there, and you don't want the fans running, electricity, things like that. All can lead to a bad day. Don't worry, you'll plug it back in, and the food won't all be melted. Once your fridge is unplugged, you can take off well, this one's cardboard back here. Some of it's coming off. I'll go ahead and fix that when I'm putting it back together. But this is a new to me fridge, not a new fridge. So it came with the house. Once it's opened up, you'll see how dirty the coils are. This restricts airflow. These aren't as bad as I expected, but we got some critters growing in here. So we're going to take a vacuum cleaner and try to clean these up. My attachment of choice for this is going to be this little brushy extension thing that's thin. It will get in there nicely. Once you have that done, you can see the coils at least look a lot better. So once you get done cleaning that crap out of the cooling fins, go ahead and plug your fridge back in. Make sure it's still starts up. Then we'll want to take and stick this cardboard plate back on there. I'm probably going to vacuum this up a little bit too, but you want to make sure you stick it on, because this cardboard is actually supposed to help increase airflow through your coils. If it's off, you won't get as much airflow through the coils because the fan will be pulling from all directions. So it looks much better, much cleaner. So go along with them clean refrigerant coils in the refrigerator. The previous owner looked like they pulled these away manually or without unscrewing them just to see the coils. But in doing that, they hurt the efficiency of the refrigerator. So don't do that. Use proper tools. So to put this back on, it's basically the reverse of what you did to take it off. You'll have things like lines and things like that you'll have to run through properly, and then take and start screwing them back together. So I guess if I really wanted to improve the efficiency of this, I'd go out to the shop there, build me a piece of plywood, stick that over the top of it, seal it in with some weather stripping. Be really good. But nah, this will work. These things are mass produced, so they're cheap, so this is a cheap way for them to put a backing on here. It doesn't help your efficiency, but it doesn't help your efficiency as much as it probably could if they directed airflow better, but I think it's good enough. So let's push the fridge back in and let's go over the results. Okay guys, so the numbers are in, and so we went from 3.8 to 3.3. So what we're seeing a day is about 0.5 kilowatts a day of savings, which is pretty good.
Yeah, it's not like, you know, you can buy a car good, but you know.
It's $1.50 a month.
And then at the end of the year you save $24, but that's not my concern. What I'm excited about is saving this fridge from us having to buy a new one.
Yeah, so
I don't want to buy a new one, I really don't, and it's 9 years old already, so we did this, and let me tell you, it has made a world of difference inside. We've been able to turn down the temperatures so that, because it's actually cold now.
it doesn't run as long.
Right, and that's great too. So
We're making more ice, sunset lemonades, so always a good thing. And
so cleaning your vents in the back, highly recommended.
yes, it is a good thing to do
Especially
it.
if you have pets.
Yeah, so I did clean out a lot of Bella hair.
Yeah, pets, the hair just goes everywhere and it sucks right back into there. So that was what we were seeing on there. And the previous owners had pets too. And yeah,
We even sucked up some of their hair.
Yeah, we did. So honestly, I think you should do this like every 6 months to a year.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I actually put it off for about 2 years, so.
Yeah, I know we did.
But, you know, it does help save energy, and also it makes the fridge run less, which is going to prolong the life of your fridge.
Right.
So,
And that's what we're
win-win.
trying to do.
And, you know, that's all good.
Right.
So, we're going to leave you with this, and we're going to drink our sunset lemonades, because it's the end of the day here, and got to get a drink on.
Getting dark.
Getting dark, yes. But also go out and check out wonderful recipes with dininginwithdanielle.com. Releases new recipes weekly, always wonderful and yummy. And if you're looking for other DIY ideas, we did replace our tank hot water heater with a tankless, and that actually saved us about $15 a month. And we did ourselves.
Just a little bit helps, you know. It just starts.
Yes, ma'am. So we did that ourselves, and it actually, the cost was about $100 more than if I was to install a tank hot water heater. But to replace a tankless with a tankless would be extremely cheap because you wouldn't have to do all the wiring I did. See video link down below. Also stay tuned, we're going to do some more AC maintenance. We've done general maintenance and repair of your AC, general maintenance of your AC to save you money. See link below for that. But this, I'm going to actually show you how to clean the coils of your AC. So we're actually going to take some of it apart. So it's going to be fun. So y'all stay tuned for that, and we'll leave you with this. Y'all take care. And if you like this channel, subscribe. If you
So yeah, I'm already doing it.
if you like this
Thumbs
channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It looks like this. We've already been tapping into the sunsets there. And if you,
Okay, whatever.
and
That's like Volt stuff. We shouldn't be even saying that. No. Volt stuff, okay.
where do I leave off?
You left off at your videos and then you were about to say goodbye.
So if you like this channel, subscribe. And there's a little bell to get a little reminder. So click that as well if you really like us. If you like this video,
Try, I'm sorry.
you do try. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's also down there. Looks like this. And if you're once again looking for great recipes, hit up diningwithdanielle.com. And y'all please take care.
Bye.